Hi, my name is Marilenis Waldron, and today I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about what it is to be a model with curly hair in the industry and how the industry reacts to it and how you're going to respond to it as a model. In the beginning, I found that I was blowing out my hair a lot more, straightening my hair a lot more because there was this specific look, Everybody had this one idea of what a model should look like. And essentially, I wasn't the ideal image. I'm tall with curves, I have curly hair, and obviously, I got a caramel skin tone. So it's definitely different from what the industry is used to. And it's about learning how to embrace it in your own way. So for me, having curly hair was a challenge at the beginning. And then learning how to accept myself, really developing that inner self-love, embracing my natural curl, letting go of the straightener, and finally treating my hair the way it should be with the products, the proper care. And again, you have to understand what it is to have healthy hair. You have to take care of yourself. Your water intake, your food, all of that matters. You really see the results in your hair as well. As far as the industry goes, it's embraced a lot more now. Everyone wants natural beauty. And if you know how to use your very own, it's highly appreciated. I believe having curly hair has definitely helped me as a model, especially now. What people are looking for is versatility. They want to be able to have a variation of looks. So they can say, hey, I want you to do A, B, and C, and you want to be able to deliver. Whereas if you have one hair type, you are a little limited because you can't make your hair poofy, big, curly unless you perm it and do something crazy, right? So having it naturally is actually a huge benefit because you can provide a number of looks. You can have your hair big and curly. You can have your hair curly up and down. You can have it in a bun with curls coming from the side. And you can also blow dry your hair. Two totally different people. And designers, photographers, they love that because they want to tackle different looks. So being able to deliver that is huge. I would say my tips to you are focus on your health aspect of things. Let go of the straightener, let go of the blow dryer, invest in better products, whether it may be your shampoo, conditioner, and styling product, and understand that it's going to be a process to get it to a healthy point. Make sure you're having half your body weight in ounces as far as water goes. Water intake is a big deal for your skin, for your hair, the length of your hair, and the health of your hair. So I would say health is number one. Number two is product choice. And number three is learning how to embrace it. Experiment. I mean, everyone has that time at home before bed where it doesn't matter what you do with your hair because nobody's gonna see you, and you can see what you look like in different hairstyles. That way when you are on set and you're asked to do something specific, you already have it in the back of your mind. Okay, cool. I know what I look like with this hairstyle. I'm just gonna do it. Boom, got it done. It's just recognizing and knowing yourself and focusing on those 3 points. Yeah. I hope that I was able to help you guys out and really encourage you guys to embrace your natural beauty, your natural hair, and your natural curl. It's truly important to understand that natural beauty is number one, and you will make it. Thank you so much for watching and tuning into what it is to be a model in the industry with curly hair and how the industry reacts to it and how you're going to respond to it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.